I think that first we need to assess that there was that big scrutiny around that transaction between client agencies and the ad tech world. A few words about that. Yes, real issue that we need to face and fix because the ad value chain is broken. Mark Pritchard from P&G has been very eloquent talking about a crab trap. That's true. It can be around transparency, it can be around fraudulent inventory, it can be around many flows, lack of measurement and viewability issues. We are not happy with that, and our responsibility as practitioners is to fix that. And it's really crucial. What we are doing at Havas since 4 years now is not just being passenger of the ad world, but being driver and really being a builder of tech stack. We started with the meta DSP approach. That was a very simple statement. A DSP is not neutral. If you put an amount of money with some KPIs, whatever the DSP, you will have very different results. So you need to start, manage, optimize, monitor different DSP in parallel during your campaign if you want to have the best result for your clients. And as the sophistication grows, 350 ad tech company in 2012, 3,500 in 2016, it became so complex and messy that we need to push the envelope. And we had 30 developers for 3 years writing 100,000 lines of code to build a client trading solution. And we saw that there was only one way to restore trust, was just to have an open platform. A platform that everyone can connect with, like if you had an in-house trading solution for a client. You know, it's the same, but you don't have to manage the people, you don't have to manage the ever-changing tech, you don't have to manage the research and development, but you pay just a premium to see everything and to have the total transparency and tranquility of knowing where goes the money, where are the results, are the biggest players always the most efficient, how can we go beyond the black boxes, and so on. We are incredibly proud of CTS, Client Trading Solution, and we are pushing every provider, DSP, SSP, header bidding company, using their API to really create the best programmatic trading engine for our client and for the industry. And it's not enough. It's not enough because the market is moving. So we're applying that on brand safety. We're applying that with the quality barometer to be sure that every inventory is absolutely clean, no bots, no fraudulent sources, and so on. I think that we can say that we have under 3% of fraudulent inventory in our engine. It's too much, but it's much lower than the industry standards. And zero tolerance doesn't mean zero occurrence. So we still need to be super cautious because, you know, the dopers go quicker than the detectors. So you need to find the way these kind of fraudulent and scam issues are dealt with at impression level, cookie level, and unique ID level. So now a new frontier with GDPR in Europe. In 6 months, a complete transparent policy for data usage and data collection will be imposed in our industry. And not many companies are ready for that. And if they are not ready in the next 8 months, they can be fined for using personal data not in the right way. Every company needs to rethink the way they are collecting first-party data, need to rethink the way they are collecting user ID on their social networks or on their different online interfaces. So again, the more the world is complex, the more you need advisors and agencies and partners. And we're incredibly proud to have been the growing partner of the global brands. As you know, since 4 years now, every 2 months and a half, Havas is winning a global client. It's an unprecedented track record, unprecedented success. This summer, it was a 1 billion summer for us. 1 billion just in the US, with incredible wins and great new partner in the healthcare industry. So the village works, the village delivers. It delivers because under one single roof, you've got different talents and one value, generosity. you need to share, you need to learn, you need to teach and train our people working together, sharing that ever-changing world in between entertainment, data, technology, advertising and content. And it's fascinating, and we're passionate about that.